Your device connects your life. It's your work, your friends, your family, your everything. That's why when something happens to your phone, like a broken screen, liquid damage, or the battery doesn't last all day, you need CPR. CPR will save your mobile life. Damage or defect, whatever ails your mobile device, CPR can help. CPR will fix your mobile device fast and have you back up and running in no time. At CPR, we service iPhones, iPads, smartphones, tablets, PC, Mac, gaming, and much more. And CPR offers an industry-leading nationwide lifetime warranty. Visit us online today at cellphonerepair.com or come into one of our convenient South Carolina locations: Anderson, Charleston, Clemson, Columbia, Conway, Easley, Greenville, Lexington, North Myrtle Beach, Rock Hill, Spartanburg, and Summerville. We have hundreds of stores nationwide. Visit us online today at cellphonerepair.com.